Hey guys, I'm here at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson in South Haven, Mississippi. We're here for the Gumbo Cook-Off. I'm here with Victoria. Say hello, Victoria.
Hey y'all, come on down.
She's the, what, media relations? Is that what you are?
No, I am the marketing manager and the event coordinator.
There you go. So come on down, and we've got over here, we've got Gumbo. I got my crackers. I have stickers. Come down and get some stickers. And so this is the competition. So far, I might make it out. So we have four pots of gumbo. So it doesn't look like I have too much competition, but you never know. Some of these might be a whole lot better than my mama's, but I doubt it.
Too. Poker walk going on downstairs.
Oh, what's that?
A poker walk.
All right, we got a poker walk going on too.
So the winner of the gumbo competition gets a $100 gift card and bragging rights in the trophy. The best hand, well, here's the trophy.
This is my trophy.
He's claimed it. Cook-Off champion.
Right on. That's a nice trophy.
Thank you. I designed it myself.
Yeah, that ain't from the party store. That's
yeah, that is design. Yeah, that is. The winner, best hand for the poker walk, gets a $100 gift card as well, and a mostly coveted Harley Davidson swag bag from Southern Thunder. And you know what? Even the worst hand is going to get a $50 gift card to Southern Thunder and a swag bag too. So it's raining. There's nothing else to do. Y'all come on down with the Rainy Rider, okay, on a rainy day, and do our poker walk and come taste and vote on your favorite gumbo. Okay, see y'all later.
All right, I'll be checking back with you shortly here, and let's see if we can get some gumbo into some people. So are we enjoying our gumbo?
We are very much enjoying our gumbo.
So far, which one's ahead?
I haven't actually taken a bite out of this one, but number 49 so far is on point.
What about you?
I just got here and got started.
Oh yeah, we gotta catch up. Why aren't you checking the gumbo out?
I don't eat other people's food.
What?
Weird.
Just get some crackers. I got crackers over there. What about you guys?
You just started.
I don't even know what my number is. Let me check. Okay, we won't tell anybody what that was, but that's, you know what it is. Good free food.
Three or four different kinds.
So you know what? I'm not sure if you could call it different kinds, but what we got is everybody made their favorite mama's gumbo. I made my grandma's gumbo. So try what you like. You can try it with rice, without rice. I got crackers over there.
What about the most meat? I like a lot of meat in mine.
I can't tell you which one has the most meat or which one's mine, but that one has the most meat, but I can't say why. Okay. So, I'm just saying.
I ain't never tried it with rice.
All right, I'm here with an old friend of mine, Alan Cole. He's here with the Southern, the Hog Chapter.
Hi everyone, Southern Thunder Hog Chapter.
What are you guys doing here today?
We're just kind of helping out with this poker run, poker walk, just marking cards.
Right on. So, what's your chapter about?
Riding, having fun, fellowship, camaraderie, just enjoying the open highway. And
having fun, that's the thing.
Having fun, that's the number one thing.
All right, nice talking to you. All right, what was that?
Appreciate it.
All right, guys, let's go look at somebody. Let's go talk to people. All right, I'm here with Sam, obviously the better part of that combination. She's Alan's wife.
No.
So what are you guys doing here today?
I'm not Alan's wife.
You're not?
No, I'm not. He'd like to think I'm his wife.
Well, let me start over. All right, I'm here with Sam, who is also in the Hog Chapter. So what are you doing here today?
I am up here helping pass out the cards for the Harley Gross for their poker wallet. So, yeah, we got cards, little things if they want to. Oh, it's stuck. Beads if you want some beads.
Beads are good. Beads are always good.
I'm up here to promote our chapter as well as activities director, activities officer.
Yeah, nothing tricky to get your beads here. They'll just give them to you.
No, yeah, we just give them out here.
All right, let's see who else is here.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Hey guys, my name is Stephen Beavers here with Southern Thunder Harley Davidson. We do work in the parts department here. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help you, provide support for motorcycle riders in our community. So do not hesitate to give us a shout, and we will hook you guys up with any type of motorcycle knowledge you may need. Thank you very much.
And what are you doing here?
Oh, I work in parts, and like Steven says, if y'all need anything, Ellie. My name's Ellie. Yeah, so if y'all need anything, come down, come see us. Ellie, that's Steven. Yeah.
All right, well, thank you very much.
Absolutely, thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you.
It was raining, and it was
So who are you?
My name is Liz. I'm a Harley merch girl. We have helmets, riding jackets, chaps, rain gear, boots, gloves. All of your riding needs are right here in the Harley Merch Center. Stop in and check them out.
Right on. Who are you?
I am Stormy. I'm a new associate here at Harley Davidson. Besides all the riding essentials, we do have other things. We have jewelry, we have wallets, we have automotive care. Everything you were to ever want is here. I can't understand you.
Louder.
I'm sorry, I'm not naturally loud.
It's fine.
Hey, I'm Maggie here at Southern Thunder in South Haven, Mississippi. We have a great selection of custom t-shirts if you're in town or you're local and want to rep our gear.
All right, so, and they have a lot of them. This is more than I've seen at a lot of dealers that you can come and say you've been to Southern Thunder, and there are a lot of them. So a lot to choose from. I do have a couple of these. You've probably seen me wearing some of these on the channel before. So, what's your favorite shirt on the wall?
Favorite shirt on the wall has to be this one right here that I've got under my work shirt right here.
Very nice, very nice. All right, guys. So obviously she didn't say my shirt was her favorite shirt, so I have to work on that.
I don't know what his favorite shirt is, so I don't know. Oh.
That's me.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'll get back to you.
You guys come check us out.
I'll ask you again in a month.
Bye.
All right, so let's check out the competition. Let's see how these are going. Mine is still there, holding on. I had a big bowl of mine. A lot of people have gotten this one, but I think it has black beans in it. I'm not sure what that is. But when people are digging this one, so I don't know. It's too close to call. Guess we'll find out later. All right, so tell us about the gumbo you're eating.
It's pretty good. It's really good.
Yeah?
Yep.
I bet somebody that's really smart made it.
Probably. I would hope so.
What number is that again?
49.
49. I can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember whose 49s is. I'll have to go check. I'll check the log. I'll get back to you. Try 49. It's the best.
49.
Yep.
No rice.
You can put rice in it. It doesn't need rice. It's beautiful by itself.
Okay.
Just like you.
Thank you.
You can put some crackers in it. You can go up more crackers. That's what it's for.
So this is the spicy one, right?
That one's spicy.
Didn't. I went to fair and square. Tell me I went fair and square.
You want it fair and
I
square?
won at fair and square. I win. I like to thank my mama and Aunt Sharon and Aunt Joyce and my mom and Aunt Jean. She helped a little bit. And my sister. I like to thank my sister for making me fight for food when I was young to make me love food more. So thank you all.
Being in the background, I guess.
All right, so we had a lot of fun here today. Did we have a lot of fun?
Yep.
Everybody have fun? Do you have fun? You're quiet, but do you have fun?
Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun. So I did win the gumbo cook-off.
Oh, good job. He earned that win. It was delicious.
Right. Give me.
You didn't even give it to me. I just took
I didn't cheat. Right. Okay.
It was delicious.
All right. So what was your favorite part of the day? We had a lot of things going on
Your
today.
gumbo.
Your gumbo.
My gumbo?
Yeah,
What's
your
it?
gumbo.
Your gumbo.
Your win.
I didn't pay him to say that.
You did not.
I went back for it 3 times.
It was the first one I tried. It was the last thing I tried. It was so good.
Yeah.
The final thoughts. I'm great. That's it. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell, and I will see you next time. Bye. All right. I'm back from Southern Thunder and the gumbo cook-off, and I mean, no spoilers, but there was a good winner, and he did have the best gumbo. So, hey, that's how they fall. I'm really happy to have won. It was there was some good stuff up there, but obviously mine was the best because that's how I roll. All right, guys, check out my channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell.